Do you want to go faster? Keep watching, I'm going to show you how. The Heusinkveld Sprint pedals are a high quality load cell pedal set from the Heusinkveld company over in Holland. The reputation of these guys is extremely high across the sim racing world, but if you're watching this video you probably already know that. So before I give you my views, let's look at the facts. Firstly, pricing. You can order these pedals in either a 2 or 3 pedal set. The 2 pedal set comes in at €495 and the 3 pedals is €577. The clutch can also be purchased separately for €98. These pedals are CNC precision cut laser steel, basically meaning that you've got fantastically clean product that's also super durable. The pedals are then finished in a powder coat and a bead blast to give them that beautiful look. And I think we can all agree that these pedals definitely look the part. So when it comes to the use of the pedals, you've got fully customizable pedal geometry with a load cell brake of 120 kg and 65 kg at the actual pedal face, meaning that if you crank these guys up, you better not skip leg day. Now, similar to my CSL DD review, I have not purchased these pedals for my home rig. I've been using them at Rush Racing for a few months, including one endurance race, and they've allowed me to come in and shoot all the footage that you're seeing today. You may be thinking that these pedals have been on the market for a while and it seems a bit late to be doing a review. Well, yes, they have been, but the footage you're seeing today is of the limited edition Team Redline pedals, which is a limited run of sprint pedals with some really nice new aesthetic details. Heusinkveld also do have the Smart Control app for making changes without having to recalibrate the pedals. Because the pedals are not on my home rig, I haven't had a chance to use the software, so the guys at Rush have told me that the software is fantastic and they haven't really had any issues with it. But if I do buy these pedals for myself, I will update you of my use of the software. So how do the pedals feel? In short, incredible. These are some of the highest quality pieces of hardware I have ever used. And that's not just limiting myself to sim racing. Really, out of any product I've ever used, whether it be tech, gaming, sim racing, these pedals are so well finished and constructed that they top that list easily. Even with the load cell turned all the way up, you never feel as if the pedals could break under any strain. You have the confidence to easily smash your foot down on that pedal, corner after corner. Both the gas and the brake pedal have an amazing snapback, which means that you've got no delay from taking your foot off one pedal, it comes straight back to the start, which is an issue I have had with some other pedals. Along with a very sturdy brake pedal, the gas pedal has a great feeling and some nice weight to it. It really helps with car control as you are completely sure how much input you are making. It also adds to the immersion of the sim because at no point do you feel like you're using a toy. Now, most drivers and sim racers will tell you that you can buy whatever fancy hardware that you like, but the only hardware that will massively help you improve your lap times is pedals. Now, this was a statement I never really agreed with or understood, and if you look back on my channel, I even made a video talking about how I was quicker on my home setup, which was a Thrustmaster T300 with pedals, than I was on a full DOF motion sim with fancy new hardware. At the time I really did think that, and to an extent I still kind of believe that, but over the past few months using the sprint pedals once a week at Rush, I've seen a massive improvement in my lap times and most importantly consistency. And that's all down to the pedals. I'm making considerably less mistakes at Rush than I am at home, and I can race for like 4 or 5 hours at home on my setup. It's just night and day the difference I feel in control through these pedals, and it's now at the point where I've taken a second or two off my lap times. Now, as much as I like the idea of having loads and loads of different wheels and button boxes and all that jazz, I 100% know the most important update to my rig now is pedals. Sorry T3PA pedals, but you just aren't cutting it anymore. All in all, the Sprint pedals from Heusinkveld are an incredible piece of kit, and if you're in the market for new pedals, these should be your go-to. They do also offer the Ultimates, but I haven't had the chance to try those, so I can't comment, but based on my time with the Sprints, they would easily be a safe bet. I mean, there's plenty of reviews on YouTube of them, maybe go watch someone like Boosted Media. Now back to the Sprints. They're easily the nicest looking pedals out there. They come in an extremely competitive price for the quality that you get, and I just can't see there being any competition to them. If you have the extra €50 to spend to upgrade to the Redline editions, I would definitely recommend it. Although the pedals are pretty much the same inside, those extra bit of colours are just stunning and they really make the pedals pop. Like, just look at the footage, they're beautiful. Now the next step for me is just to get a pair of Sprints on my home rig so I can use them all the time. Anyway, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed me doing some more reviews. I'm really enjoying doing them. I just wanted to say thank you for the support and the love on the last video. It's just performed way better than any other video I've done, so I really appreciate everyone that was going to come along and watch. If you want to keep up to date with my videos and all other social media stuff I'm doing, my links are all down in the description, along with the link for Rush Racing, who again provided me the platform to be able to bring this review to you. If you want to stay up to date with all the videos, you can subscribe and also go follow me on Twitch. I'm so close to 50 followers, twitch.tv/GavRaces. If you'd like to see more product reviews, let me know, but until next time, goodbye.